So for the past 6-ish months, I've been living inside of a camper that I built on the back of my truck. But I decided, because I'm a full-time college student, I decided it's better to be living in a van than a camper while going to college. So I sold my truck, took apart the camper, and bought a nice little van. So far all I've done is just strip out all the seats, pull out the shag carpet, rip out the trim, pull out the VCR, a tape deck, stuff like that. And I'm almost ready to get to work. So I've been living full-time in here for about, what was that, 3-4 months now, and the floor's been great. I really like it because I can clean it very easily. It's really not clean in here right now, but I can just brush it all out super easy. And the only things that of negative side effects I'd say is that if I leave the door open during the summer and straight sun, it causes these panels to enlarge, warp a little bit. So I need to like push it back down again. It's caused no permanent damage, but that's one issue. I can't leave it in the direct sun for too long. I'm talking about like 100-degree temperatures. And then it's gotten a bit colder, so the gaps in here have gotten a little bit bigger, it seems like. You can tell, nothing major, but you can see some gap. That's the worst one out of all of them. But just because of the shrinkage, because of the cold temperatures. So I'll see how it does in like negative temperatures, but I don't think it'll shrink too much more. Besides that, I really like the floor. It's really easy to install and it's worked great. I've had no issues with it, and I think it does help dampen the noise when I'm driving as well. But yeah, I really like it.